we are. We're on our way to Lake Okeechobee, Florida. M2D Camel crew. Joe Lang, Chad Borneman. Got a couple newcomers over here. James over there.
James Ross.
James Ross right here. Luke right there, our pilot for the moment.
Luke, what's going on, buddy?
What's up, man?
Ready to get it done?
Ready.
Alright.
We just ate a lovely meal at the Flying J. Their buffet was alright. They had award-winning macaroni and cheese. I don't know what award it was.
Well, we never saw the trophy case for it.
No, we did not see the trophy case. We looked.
It must have been a local award or something. You know, something was in the paper or something. Well, we're gonna go out here, get her done. We're gonna kill some hogs. We're not doing it the traditional way today. We're taking some knives and a recurve bow with some wooden arrows. So this ought to be interesting. We're about 160 miles from our final destination. Tomorrow morning we're gonna hook up with a guide and get on a swamp buggy with some dogs and our knives and recurve bow and see what happens. Some people are calling us stupid. We're just saying we're dedicated and primitive. So tune in with us tomorrow.
That's right. Pork chops. And the panhandle.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Panhandle pork. What do you think, James?
I think it sounds pretty good.
Yeah. Did you get those aviator sunglasses at the Flying J?
I did not. I bought these at the mall.
You bought them where?
At the mall.
At the mall. Whereabouts?
I believe it was the Sunglass Hut because they offer a 10% military discount.
What was that, back in Virginia?
That was.
Military discount. We got some military members here.
Military police officers.
We got Luke. We got a military security force member in the passenger seat. James Ross. Chad Borneman.
You've seen me before.
He ran out of razors on leave, but
Yeah.
he's doing all right. We're in Florida. We missed a sign because we were too busy getting ran over by a transvestite truck driver. Anyway, that's for the home reel there. Might be another one right there out the window, as y'all can see. It's my first time down here in these parts. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna bring you some barking, some squealing pork, swamp buggies, hopefully some gators. What is a little heat wave here today, Chad?
Yeah. Alright folks, we're out here, Okeechobee, Florida, on the banks of the Kissimmee River. We're out here on a swamp buggy. We got Joe Lang, Chad Borneman, James Ross.
James Ross.
I can't pronounce his last name yet, but we're good.
What's that last name, Luke?
Stobie.
Stobie. Luke Stobie.
It's,
James Ross.
It's January the 14th. It's 9:10 in the morning. Got the dogs going out here. M2D Camel crew. We're gonna knife them, recurve them, spear them, shotgun them.
We'll slug them, glock them. We might even cape one.
We're going on a mass wild feral pig hunt this morning.
Yes, we are.
On a swamp buggy. We got a guide named Casey down here. There's one of our dogs. There's another one making room for the run. And these boys are about to get it done. So what do you think, boys?
Ready?
You look like you're suited up, ready to roll.
I am.
You got a sidearm there?
Dude, Glock 19 action.
Little Glock 19. We might even have a little armadillo action before the day's out.
Alright folks.
What's the dog's name? You like that name? Look?
That's Brownie. Alright folks, we're out here, we got our first hog down here. Not gonna be able to knife him, but Joe's gonna recurve him here. Just hold on a second, folks.
Right here. Right here.
Come on him, Joe.
You ready?
Yep.
Right here. Right here. There you go.
Nice shot, buddy.
Not happy. The dog will find it, won't it?
I think I saw Albert moving. I saw Albert moving. There he is right there, kicking. Yeah.
Hey, down, bro. Hey, grab it. What? I did it right on the shoulder.
Yeah, you did.
Grab it. Get your ass out. Thank you.
What do you think about that, Joe?
Fred better be proud, baby.
Killer, baby.
Woo!
Killer. Hurting.
shoot it, man. Low and shoulder. Low and shoulder. That's perfect. Good shot. How many times? 50 pounds and 20 ounces. But I pull back up. Yeah.
Wiki, baby.
Where's that rod at? It's not.
Get a meat for the freezer. What it is.
Meat in the freezer.
Meat in the freezer.
Thanks, baby. Got a little brown to it, huh? Yeah. A little red. Still got a little kick to it. South Florida pork chops, boys. What do you think?
All right.
Wait. I'm on it, Chad. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
I was looking for you back here. I didn't even see you.
What you got, Chad?
Woo!
Yeah, baby. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, baby. That's a nice hog. A nice hog. Nice old boar. The second one of the trip.
Better hit this one. Come over here. Come over here and shoot.
Oh. Are you gonna shoot it? Can we shoot him in the head?
Right here. Right here. Shoot in the head.
Hold on. Shoot him.
Done.
Good job, dog.
He's down.
I shot him in the fucking
Damn, he
head.
didn't get none of y'all? No. Good. Jump back. He comes to you. Good job. Holy fuck. I think he brushed you, didn't he? He was like right here. Good job, bro.
All right, boys. It's hog number 2 and 3. What you got? You got some teeth on that there, Chad?
Hell yeah.
I like it. Looks like we're eating some pork chops coming up.
Yeah.
James Ross, how'd that slug work out for you?
Worked out well for me and Bass right
Yeah.
now.
Film them hogs back there. Film them hogs. Look at him. Hey, I want to take my dogs to him, all right? Hey, real quick. Now.
Here we go. We got 2 at bay, boys.
I probably don't want to knife him.
He's a mean son. I got a shot if he turns.
Hold on, I can't see.
Let me know if you're on him. I can take him to the border.
I'm on it. Yep. Hit it here.
I can't shoot him today.
Nice. Good shot. Knock you another arrow. He's going down.
I ain't gonna need it, bro.
He's going down.
That went in him. There's one right there.
Here.
That ain't the spotter one, the third hole. That's a mean bitch.
Yeah.
Did you get the impact?
Oh, perfect. Woo! Yeah.
Get up, baby. Old Recurve is deadly medicine.
Go.
Here we are, hog number 4, 14 January. Little Fred Bear action. Come along with us. See who's next.
Dogs are on another one. Get him! Get him! Woo!
Hold my hand so I don't slip. Get him again! Look at him spraying, bro. Get ready to pull me. When I say pull me. Get him, James!
We're here, James!
This is the side. Put it in him, yeah! He's done, dude. James Ross, what'd you do?
M2D, baby, killing off the knife.
Yeah! Woo!
Here it is, buddy!
Yeah!
Hey, help me out here, buddy.
Alright, what you got in them boots here?
Got a little large swamp water.
Damn, they're taking something home with you.
Right in here.
Might want to wash them socks.
Good thing they ain't mine, they look stupid.
Luke Stobie, we got in your night bag this morning.
Well, it'll be a pair of socks now.
Chad Borneman. Wait, don't move. Hold on. Hold on, take him. Nice shot. Nice shot. Is that broadhead in him? Oh shit. Holy shit.